Hello children, welcome back to the fourth session of Economic Development, the 15th chapter in Social Science textbook class 10. Dear children, in this session we shall discuss the third topic, economic activity and non-economic activity. Dear children, unless and until you understand the basic difference between economic and non-economic activity, you won't be able to understand the next topic, the structure of Indian economy, well. So dear children, better stay tuned to this discussion till the end. So, let's get started with the points of basic difference between economic and non-economic activity one by one. Dear children, let's see the first point of difference, the meaning of economic activity and non-economic activity. An activity performed with the motive of earning financial reward is called economic activity, whereas an activity performed without the motive of earning financial reward is called non-economic activity. The second point of difference is exchange. In an economic activity, there is an exchange of money against goods and services, or an exchange of goods and services against goods and services. बच्चों, इस पॉइंट ऑफ डिफरेंस को सरल शब्दों में समझने की कोशिश करता है. मान लीजिए कि आपने एक स्कूटर खरीदा, तो ये स्कूटर आपने क्या देकर खरीदा? मनी, पैसा, जो उस स्कूटर की कीमत थी, राइट? तो बच्चों, ये हुआ एक्सचेंज ऑफ मनी अगेंस्ट गुड्स. बच्चों, अब मान लो कि एक साल बाद आपके इस स्कूटर में कुछ टेक्निकल खराबी आती है, तो आप क्या करोगे? मैकेनिक के पास जाओगे और वो मैकेनिक उसका टेक्निकल नॉलेज यूज करके आपका स्कूटर रिपेयर करके देगा, जिसके बदले में एक्सचेंज में आप उसको पैसा दोगे. तो बच्चों, इस बार किन चीजों का एक्सचेंज हुआ? मनी अगेंस्ट सर्विस, राइट? बच्चों, अब सोचो कि आप अपना स्कूटर आपके किसी दोस्त को दे देते हो और उसके बदले में आप उसका स्कूटर ले लेते हो, क्योंकि दोनों स्कूटर्स की कीमत एक जैसी ही है. तो इस बार किसका एक्सचेंज हुआ? एक्सचेंज ऑफ स्कूटर अगेंस्ट स्कूटर, यानी एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स अगेंस्ट गुड्स, राइट? So dear children, these all are examples of economic activity. Now let's see the exchange in non-economic activity. Dear students, in non-economic activity there is an exchange of human emotions like love and kindness. बच्चों, आपके पेरेंट्स आपको पॉकेट मनी देते हैं, इसके बदले में एक्सचेंज में आपसे कुछ नहीं मांगते, बिकॉज they give you the money out of emotions like love and care. Similarly, if a teacher teaches a poor student without demanding fees, then there is an exchange of emotions like kindness, right? So dear students, in an economic activity, there has to be an exchange of economic value. Now dear students, let's examine the third point of difference, that is objective. Children, from the above discussion, now it might be clear to you that in economic activity there is an objective of earning or gaining something in return of money. On the other hand, in non-economic activity, there is an objective of satisfying human emotions, right? Now children, let's try to understand the above points of difference with a few examples in both types of activities. Number 1, a doctor treating his patient can be called an economic activity. Why? Because there is an exchange of money and service. On the other hand, a doctor treating his own child is a non-economic activity because here the doctor is providing his services out of emotions like love and care, right? Number 2, a teacher teaching students in school is called an economic activity because he gets money in return of his service. But if he teaches his own child at home, is non-economic activity because here he won't get money in return of his services. Number 3, a chef cooking in a hotel can be called an economic activity because he is performing this activity with the motive of earning financial reward. On the other hand, when he is cooking at home, there is no objective of earning any financial reward, right? So dear students, I hope now you understand the basic difference between an economic activity and non-economic activity, right?